Hi, and welcome to Topic 2 of CHCPRT025, Identify and Report Children and Young People at Risk. In this topic, we'll focus on one of the most critical responsibilities you have in your role, accurately documenting and reporting concerns when you believe a child or young person may be at risk of harm. Understanding how to record observations factually and report through the correct channels is essential not only for compliance but for protecting children's safety and well-being. Let's explore how you can do this with confidence and care. 2.1 Accurate and factual documentation. When documenting a concern, your records must be clear, factual, and detailed. Avoid assumptions or emotional language. Instead, write down exactly what you observed or what the child said. For example, instead of saying the child looked neglected, write, child arrived at the service with unwashed clothes, strong body odor, and mentioned not having dinner the night before. Always record the date and time of the incident. The exact words the child used, if any, your own observations, not opinions, any actions you took, who you reported it to and when. Documentation must also follow your service's confidentiality and privacy policies. These records are sensitive and must be stored securely and only shared with authorized individuals. 2.2 Reporting indicators of risk of harm. If your documentation or observations indicate possible risk of harm, you are legally required to report it. This includes suspected physical abuse, sexual abuse, emotional abuse, neglect, or exposure to domestic violence. Each state and territory in Australia has its own reporting guidelines. In New South Wales, for example, educators must follow the Mandatory Reporter Guide, MRG, and report through the Child Protection Helpline or the Department of Communities and Justice, DCJ. You must also follow your organization's reporting procedures, which may include notifying your nominated supervisor or child safety officer. Remember, you do not need proof, you only need reasonable grounds to suspect harm. Report promptly. Delays can put a child at further risk. Keep a record of your report and who you contacted. Recap. By reporting indicators of harm professionally and responsibly, you are acting in the best interests of the child and fulfilling both your legal and ethical duties. If you're unsure, always seek advice from your supervisor or a child protection authority. Thank you for watching. You can now proceed to your quiz. Remember to read the learning materials. These will give you more information and are quite useful.